Hi guys, just Janice, and welcome to our Thursday train. Right before me, you would have seen Dave from DRH Acrylics, and filling in for Julie this week is Kelly from Feral Art, and she will be going on right after me, so stick around and show her some love. I've got a project coming up, but first I wanted to thank Christina Welch. She has started making cards, and she does Make a Card Monday. I will link her channel down below. And she sent me a bunch of stamps and a bunch of dies to go with some stamps. And I tell you what, it just fueled my desire to want to create cards again. So I have been taking my dies and I have been cutting up a ton of my paint skins, and I'm going to be using those. So that'll be coming up in a video sometime. And I actually am going to be, let me see. I've got a bunch of stuff here where I'm going to be showcasing some of the ideology, the Tim Holtz ideology stuff. Someone was kind enough to gift me a lot of the new line of stuff, and I'm going to be using some of these. I'm going to be creating a small, like Father's Day type of thing, and I kind of have an idea in my head. We'll just see where it goes. So let's get started. So we've been going through a lot of old pictures lately. I got a ton from Steve's mom, a ton from my mom, and I came across one, and this is Steve. I'm not sure, I think he was 11 months old, was what the other one said on the back, but this is our little Steve. So this is kind of going to be for him. This is a frame from the ideology, Tim Holtz ideology stuff, and it was just a regular frame, and I put some crackle paste on it, and then I hit it with teakwood ink and some rust alcohol ink, and then put a little bit of this on to break up the dark. And then I'll seal it with, I'll probably hit it with some Camar, and I'll seal it before I put it around this. Okay, I didn't like the wax, so I took some sandpaper and I sanded away on the edges to come back to the white. And so that is that. And now I'm going to get started on these. Okay, done and done. That's our little Steve. I added the screws. I attached this to the material. He is a cyclist when he grew up, but he's our handsome guy. My little splatters turned into little blobs, but that's okay. But I will probably attach the panel to a larger Father's Day thing I'm doing. So, hey guys, stick around. Thanks for watching. But Kelly from Fell Art is up next. And I probably said that way too fast. Kelly from Feral Art is up next. She's filling in for our Julie E. And she's a wonderful human. Stick around, watch and see what she created. And thanks for being here this week, guys. And wherever you are, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, or night. Bye.